Hi, I'm Max, and I'll be sharing a thematic investment research framework I did at PICTON. In public markets, companies are constantly releasing statements. The challenge is that there's too much information to process manually, and early signals about which themes are gaining attention are hidden within. So 2 questions we're trying to answer is what themes are heating up and what companies are associated with them. The first part is a thematic heat monitor. We read in earnings transcript from the S&P 1500 companies and transform them into exposures. Now the exposure score is then used to calculate 3 main metrics: the intensity, breadth, and diffusion. The 3 metrics will be used to form the theme heat score, which tells whether the theme is heating up or cooling down. The next part is a gray zone screener. Here we try to identify companies with high thematic exposure but are under-recognized. The key idea is shown in the figure below. Factor similarity asks whether the company is built like the leaders of the theme or not, fundamentally. And the thematic beta asks whether the markets view it as part of the theme or not. Core players score high on both. They are the main characters. And gray zones are where the edges is. They are companies that are built like the leaders, but under-recognized by the market. So we start by identifying the clear theme leaders and building the factor DNA based on their shared characteristics. Then we score the entire universe based on the thematic beta and factor similarity. And finally, we validate each candidate operationally to determine whether they are the true gray zone companies or not. The 2 modules worked in a streamlined flow. So one picks the theme and one picks the name. Together, they turn a pool of transcript into a disciplined research queue. Thank you.